Now suppose we have an ellipse whose equation is given by x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1, and then we have a point P whose coordinates are a cos theta and b sin theta. We'll need to find equation of normal. So what we'll do is we'll differentiate and we'll find slope of normal. So we'll differentiate, we can write 2x upon a square into dx upon dy plus 2y upon b square equals to 0. Then we can simply write minus dx upon dy. It will be a square y upon b square x. Now we'll find slope of normal at this point P. So we'll put the value of x and y. So it'll be a square and then b sin theta, and then it'll be b square and then a cos theta. So a will cancel, b will also cancel. So we'll get a sin theta upon b cos theta. So that is the slope of normal. Once we have slope and we have point, now we can write equation of normal. So equation of normal will simply be y minus b sin theta, and this is a sin theta upon b cos theta, and then x minus a cos theta. So we'll cross multiply, then we can write by cos theta minus b square sin theta cos theta, and here it will be ax sin theta minus a square sin theta into cos theta. Now what we'll do is we'll take x and y together, and then we'll take a square and b square together. So we can write this equation as ax sin theta minus by cos theta, and it will be equal to a square minus b square sin theta into cos theta. Now what we'll also do is we'll divide everything with sin theta into cos theta. Then we can write this equation as ax secant theta minus by cosec theta, and it will be equal to a square minus b square, and that is the equation to the normal. You need to remember this equation. So equation of normal at any point P whose coordinates are a cos theta and b sin theta will be ax secant theta minus by cosec theta equals a square minus b square. Now this is parametric equation of normal. We can also write this equation in terms of x1, y1. Suppose point P is x1, y1, then we can simply say slope of normal at any point P, which is minus dx upon dy at this point P. It will simply be a square y1 upon b square x1. Now we can write this equation as y minus y1 equals a square y1 upon b square x1, and then x minus x1. So we'll cross multiply, we'll write b square x1y minus b square x1y1, and here it will be a square y1x minus a square x1y1. Again we'll take x and y together, we'll write a square y1x minus b square x1y, and it'll be a square minus b square x1 y1. Now again we'll divide it with x1 y1. So we can write this equation as a square x upon x1 minus b square y upon y1, and this is equal to a square minus b square. So that is the equation of normal in terms of a point P whose coordinates are x1 and y1. So we can write equation of normal in terms of parametric coordinates. We can write equation of normal in terms of x1, y1. We can also write equation of normal in terms of its slope. Suppose slope of normal is m. Now we know that equation of normal is ax secant theta minus by cosec theta is equal to a square minus b square. Now we can write this as by cosec theta and L be equal to ax secant theta minus a square minus b square. So we'll write this equation as a upon b, and here it will be tan theta x minus a square minus b square upon b, and then it will be this sin theta. Now we are given that slope of normal is m. So basically we can write a upon b, tan theta is m. So tan theta is actually mb upon a. So we'll draw this triangle. Then this is theta. This is mb. This is a. And this is under root of a square plus m square into b square. So this is y. Now a upon b tan theta is simply m. So it will be y equals mx and then minus a square minus b square upon b. Now what's sin theta? Sin theta in this case is mb upon under root of a square plus m square into b square. We'll cancel this b with b. We can write equation of normal in terms of slope m as y equals mx minus a square minus b square m upon under root of a square plus m square into b square. So that is the equation in terms of slope of a normal.